have done to differentiate this one with respect to x, then it will be 1 by a square, x square differentiation is 2x, minus 1 by b square, y square differentiation is 2y, y dash is equal to 1 differentiation is 0. From here you find y dash at the point x1, y1 also. So you put x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. This is the slope. Then normal equal to y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy dx at the point x1, y1 into x minus x1. Now you put this value, what you have got here. Then you multiply this, cross multiply, and this one multiply here. So this is the normal. Now in the question it is given Lx plus My is equal to 1. Lx plus My is equal to 1. This is also the normal. I am giving equation 1 and 2. This one given normal and this one I have got that normal. Since these two equations are same, so we can write the ratio of the coefficient of x, that is L by this. So this is My. And then equal to coefficient of y, that is m by this. That is written here. This is not plus, it will be is equal to. Is equal to, here this is 1 by this, that is written. Now you can write L by this is equal to this 1 and another m by this equal to this. So from here you are getting x equal to, see here you take x common and bring this side, and this one will go up and L will come here. One more thing you can do, that is y1, you see you can take common and cut from here. So you will get the value of x here. Similarly from here you will get the value of y1. Take x1 common from here and cut both sides, and then get the value of y1. These two values you have got. Now come to the next point. Given x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. There you put the value of x and y, what you have got before. That value you put here and there. Now see this b square, a square and this one cut only a square left. B square cut only b square left. And then do LCM. Then do cross multiplication. Then this equal to this one. Now the whole equation, if you divide it by L square m square, everywhere, this one also divide by L square m square, this one also divide by L square m square, this one also divide by L square m square. Then this will cut, only this is left, and this side a square by L square minus y square by b square is equal to this one whole square. And in the question it is told to prove this one, and see we have got the proof. That's all.